All right, let's use this bad boy. Today we're going to talk countertop push-up holds. Awesome exercise if you're looking for an at-home upper body press exercise. This is a great place to start because it adds a nice degree of variety to just a normal push-up and some difficulty that you can do anywhere. So we're going to get set up on our countertop. Our hands are going to hit the crease of the counter, okay? So we're not going to be on top where we have to have a nice big wrist bend. Right in that crease of the counter should be in the crease of your hand, right there above your thumb. Now, when we get set up, the further your feet are back from you, the harder this is going to be. So if you're standing up tall, this will be fairly easy. If we're going back, this will be more difficult. Then what we're going to do is we're going to slowly lower ourselves down, chest headed towards the countertop, and we're going to hold here. We'll start out about 5 seconds, and as you get better and stronger, you'll go up in how long you're able to hold. 4, 5, press away, rest for a second, head back down, 2, 3, 4, 5, press away. Now, when you're doing your countertop push-ups, or any push-up for that matter, we don't want to have the elbows and arms flared up and out. We want the elbows back, about 45 degrees away from the body, generally speaking. And we want the chest towards the countertop, not the head. So like this, or not the stomach, like this. So think, taking your chest to the countertop, 3, 4, 5, and rest. And that right there is our countertop push-up holds. Use it next time you're standing by your countertop, waiting for your food to get cooked.